showing you this cool slushy machine. I saw this a couple of weeks ago. I was actually able to get in touch with these guys to get my hands on one of these. It's a cool frozen drink maker. It has 5 programs, such as your milkshake, your slushy, your frappe, your wine and cocktail. It also has a self-cleaning function. What's neat is you're not required to actually use ice to make your frozen drinks. That's the main benefit of something like this. These guys were kind enough to send me one of these to test. Let's see what's inside. This is the machine. It's not actually that huge. Like that. This is everything that you get. You install this, you attach this here, and you're ready to go. It's a very simple process. And then you get this tray that goes here. You don't actually have to even read the guide. Some basic information, how you should set it up. This opens that. You can remove this, and you can remove this. This is your handle that pulls the drink. So this is the mechanism here. As far as the size, so this is the tray, this is the machine. So when you're ready, you just fill the container from here. When I turn it on, that comes on, and this is how you actually select the program. These are the programs that are available. When I actually remove this, it says it's open. I won't be able to do anything. So cleaning is pretty easy. Before getting it started, you want to choose the thickness for your drink. Now I have this. Now the machine is locked. I've lowered this. I have to add my ingredients from here. Just gonna add this. This is my first try, so I'm just gonna go with something that's easy. Press this here. It's getting cooler. See, it's forming in there. This one I made with ginger ale, and it's now ready. You see that it actually has this sign, so now it's ready to be served. Hold this, and it will come out. I'm not really into frozen drinks, but this was pretty straightforward. It really is easy to set up. So I just put the machine in cleaning mode and let it run, and it turns itself off after it's done. I'm using this. I'm just gonna add it here. You can add it for 1, 2 people, or 3 or 4. It just takes it longer if you do. Just gonna start this. So it is forming. So I have to wait for the process to complete. When you're done, there's a beep, and then you see the sign. Now this is ready to go. Now the machine is going to actually rotate. So that's the slushy.
Comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.